For over 12 years, we've partnered with MIT to offer KIS students an exceptional chance to explore STEM. Our MIT-KIS winter workshops inspire curiosity and creativity and connect KIS students with MIT students studying in diverse STEM fields.
I think it was really interesting and really cool to see how actual engineers are building the world around us every day and realizing that the process and the challenges that they go through. Because our designs definitely weren't perfect and some of them might not work as well, but it was really interesting to see the design process.
What has been your experience teaching?
We remember the first time when we're learning something, if we didn't learn it well or if it was really confusing for us to learn, it'd be really hard for us to be engaged in that subject, but also to want to learn it again in the future. And we wanted to make sure that they had a good first impression so that they would be able to see the passion that we also have in our hearts, but also maybe find something that they want to pursue in their futures.
When designing the curriculum for our workshop, I wanted to keep it very open-ended and design in a way that lets students try out their own ideas. So I think the one big part, how we both designed the curriculum, was by giving the students not the ideas, but the tools to build their bridges.
Before coming to KIS, we were taught that we should come here with the purpose to ignite passion in STEM rather than just spilling and trying to engrave STEM content into them. And so for our workshop, we had 2 days to teach them everything they need to know to build the bridges. And then after that, we emphasized the main ideas of what we taught them each day.
What do you enjoy learning?
I've always really liked to learn by doing. I think there's no other way for me to understand visually what's happening unless I'm creating things with my hand and making things with my hands. And because of that, I got into robotics at a really young age, and I really like the collaborative elements of robotics. I think there's such a positive learning environment, and people are really pushing you to try creating new things.
We're in the MIT AM Mission to Mars workshop, and we've learned about the different types of energy and how they transfer through motions. The MIT students taught us a lot about some high school level topics like physics. I think later on I can use those topics in the real world, so I can use those topics to tell other people about what I learned and stuff.
One challenge that we experienced was when we were making cars that could drive around Mars. They kind of were slippery, so we overcame that challenge by putting rubber bands on the wheels.
It was really helpful to know how we could figure out problems so we can improve our technology.
Another really big aspect of engineering, especially what's taught at MIT, is failure is good. You're supposed to fail, you're supposed to make mistakes, because if you don't make them early, you're gonna make them later. And so I really liked that aspect of learning, that you can just make whatever you want to make and learn however you learn through that process.
That was definitely one of the challenges, was figuring out I gotta plan this and I just gotta go for it because you never know what's gonna happen.
For me, I think the most challenge that we faced was the day 4 activity, making the battery, because we used the NaOH, which was very dangerous. So we really have to be careful, and I think this was a challenge for us.
This week in the toy product design MIT course, we learned how to do CAD on Onshape and how to build and how a circuit works.
It's honestly pretty fun. I had fun throughout the entire course. It's a lot more laid back, but you still learn. So I think it's a good experience.
So you had to make plastic trash bags out of banana and tangerine peels. So we had a lot of problem about handling the waste and compost odor. It was really smelly. But I think that was a generally fun challenge also.
Korea itself, what are you enjoying about being here?
I was pretty amazed when I first got a tour around this place. So my high school did not have any of this maker space area. So I think just having all these tools available to the students allows for so much creativity. And I guess if I was in this high school, I would have tried using this area to build stuff or explore my passions.
The reason why I focused on programming was because I only had access to a laptop. I would have been probably more excited to explore like mechanical engineering or electrical engineering if I had like more access to those resources. And so it's great that KIS provides so many opportunities for the students.
Also, the teachers are also really amazing. I think, especially with Mr. Sampson, when he was teaching his physics lessons, I was also engaged learning like new things I've never learned before too.
We've been going around to a lot of the classrooms, and I think it was so cool to see everything that KIS offers that I think is not typically offered at a lot of schools. And so we've worked with like some clubs, like the Makers Club with FemSTEM, and also like the Design Your Impact class and a lot of like the physics classes. They're very hands-on, they're very open-ended, which I think is good. Like when kids are able to choose what they want to do, you see them like try harder and you see them be more passionate about the topic that they're engaged in, which is really fun.
At KIS, we empower students to continue learning. It's exciting to imagine future ideas and innovations start right here with opportunities like this.